Ever dreamt of trading in your suit and tie for a pair of gardening gloves? Forget Wall Street, because agriculture might just be the key to unlocking your millionaire potential. Before we dive into our topic today, if you haven't already, please consider to subscribe to our channels and ringing the bell to be notified about all our exciting future videos. Imagine transforming your small plot of land into a lucrative venture that can bring in $1 million income. While traditional crops often offer modest returns, certain high-profit crops can yield significant financial gains with the right knowledge and dedication. These cash crops, ranging from exotic herbs to niche fruits, have the potential to revolutionize your farming business. In this video, we'll explore 7 crops that could pave your way to becoming a millionaire, revealing the secrets to cultivating and marketing them for maximum profit. 7. Cassava. Cassava is a staple food for over 600 million people worldwide and is cultivated in 105 countries. Nigeria leads global production with 35 million metric tons annually, while Uganda contributes about 5 million metric tons. In Uganda, cassava ranks as the second most important staple food after bananas, both in terms of production and consumption. Traditionally grown in the West Nile, North, and Eastern regions, cassava is now gaining importance in the southern and western parts of the country. Cassava farming offers numerous uses similar to groundnut farming. It can be boiled and eaten like yams or processed into flour, chips, starch, and the popular dish fufu. When selecting an agricultural venture, it's wise to consider crops with diverse applications and a long value chain. Cassava perfectly fits this criterion. Its growing popularity as a flour substitute is driving an increase in demand, making it a promising crop for future agricultural investments. 6. Microgreens. Microgreens, often called baby greens or vegetable confetti, are tiny, nutrient-rich versions of familiar vegetables and herbs, harvested at a young age. Despite being a relatively new player in the food and beverage market, these superfoods have rapidly gained popularity among health enthusiasts and the restaurant industry. While the microgreen industry is still emerging, its steady growth is driven by increasing consumer and industry demand for locally grown, sustainable, and nutrient-dense foods. Microgreens are particularly profitable for small-scale growers who can sell directly to local markets or restaurants. Their profitability, however, depends on factors such as production costs, demand, competition, and effective marketing strategies. One of the advantages of microgreens is their ease of cultivation in any space. Even starting with a few trays in a spare room or basement can yield a significant return. These greens mature quickly, taking only 2 to 3 weeks from seed to harvest, and often sell for over $15 per pound. As you expand, using shelving to grow microgreens becomes practical, allowing multiple rows under fluorescent lighting in a small area. This method can produce up to $10,000 worth of microgreens per month. Though hydroponic methods are also effective, they are typically grown in soil-filled trays. Given their short shelf life, selling them fresh is crucial, targeting farmers markets, local chefs, grocery stores, or wholesalers. Common microgreens include sunflower, radish, and peas, which are easy to grow and popular among consumers. Microgreens are among the most profitable vegetables to grow, the high yield per square foot and strong selling prices. 5. Exotic mushrooms. The trend of exotic mushroom cultivation is on the rise, with over 2 million pounds harvested last year alone. Mushrooms represent a profitable crop, boasting high levels of vitamins, protein, and minerals, making them a preferred choice over meat or fish for many due to their nutritional benefits. However, it's crucial to note that not all mushrooms are safe for consumption, emphasizing the importance of proper training in mushroom cultivation. Creating the optimal environment for mushroom growth requires a dark, humid space, such as a shed or room, along with essential supplies like sawdust, polyethylene bags, mushroom seeds, fertilizers, lime, water, and storage equipment. With the right setup, you can sell mushrooms to hotels, exporters, and pharmaceutical companies within 21 days. Among the various exotic mushroom species, oyster mushrooms stand out as one of the easiest to cultivate, capable of generating substantial profits even within a limited space. 4. Ginseng. Ginseng stands as one of the most sought-after and lucrative herbs worldwide. Remarkably, cultivating ginseng is relatively straightforward, paving the way for a thriving ginseng-growing enterprise within a short span of time. Ginseng, a slow-maturing plant revered for its medicinal root, comes in two primary varieties: Korean ginseng, Hanax ginseng, and American ginseng, Hanax quinquefolius. Both boast a long history in traditional medicine, although conclusive scientific evidence for their health benefits is still emerging. Early research suggests positive effects on memory, fatigue, and menopausal symptoms. Beyond medicinal uses, ginseng finds its way into Asian cuisine, gracing herbal teas and energy drinks. While embarking on ginseng farming is a long-term commitment with a 6-year wait for mature root harvest, it offers unique advantages. Growers can generate income throughout the cycle by selling ginseng seeds and immature rootlets. Profit potential is substantial, with estimates reaching $200,000 per acre when considering roots, rootlets, and seeds. Large-scale ginseng cultivation requires significant investment and carries inherent risks. However, smaller-scale operations can leverage existing forest cover to create a low-cost, low-maintenance growing environment. 3. Bamboo. The agricultural industry is constantly seeking eco-friendly solutions. Bamboo emerges as a frontrunner, boasting the title of the fastest-growing woody plant on Earth, reaching an impressive 3 feet per day. This rapid growth cycle translates to a renewable and commercially viable crop. Bamboo's versatility extends beyond its rapid growth. It finds applications in high-value landscaping, with individual plants commanding prices of up to $150. Beyond aesthetics, bamboo serves as a sustainable source of raw materials for furniture, flooring, textiles, kitchenware, and even biofuel production. Furthermore, bamboo shoots demonstrate remarkable maturity rates, reaching full height within 8 to 10 weeks. Perhaps the most compelling aspect of bamboo farming lies in its inherent sustainability. As a grass, bamboo possesses the remarkable ability to regenerate after harvest, often exhibiting accelerated growth in subsequent years. This ensures a long-term, reliable crop with consistent profitability. Several commercially viable bamboo species thrive in farm settings, each offering unique advantages. Popular choices include Moso bamboo, known for its durability, Sasa bamboo, valued for its dense growth patterns, and Thylostachys bamboo, favored for its versatility. 2. Lavender. Lavender cultivation has emerged as a promising niche within the sustainable agriculture sector. This aromatic herb, prized for its fragrance and diverse applications, offers significant profitability even for small-scale operations. Studies indicate that a single acre of lavender can generate over $18,000 in gross revenue. However, success in lavender farming hinges on strategic financial planning and a market-oriented approach. Historically, successful growers have focused on creating high-value added products such as essential oils and topical formulations, while adhering to organic and local production practices. This model aligns perfectly with the growing consumer demand for sustainable and ethically sourced goods, presenting significant potential for profit growth. 1. Cotton. Cotton reigns supreme as a cornerstone fiber in the textile industry, woven into countless garments we wear every day. Interestingly, its reach extends beyond clothing, even finding use in some currencies. This widespread demand translates to a massive global market, exceeding 7 billion daily cotton consumers. For those with the land and resources, cotton farming presents a compelling agricultural opportunity. Holding the title of the most profitable non-food crop globally, cotton production sustains the livelihoods of over 250 million people and fuels nearly 7% of the workforce in developing nations. Remarkably, half of all textiles are crafted from cotton, showcasing its enduring relevance. The ease of exporting cotton and its readily available market create a potentially limitless income stream for well-managed farms. Whether you choose to cultivate the ever-popular ginseng or venture into cotton farming, each crop discussed here holds the potential to transform your agricultural endeavors into a lucrative venture. What sets these high-profit crops apart is not just their profitability, but also their adaptability and accessibility. With advancements in technology and cultivation methods, growing these crops has become increasingly feasible, even for novice farmers. Moreover, the global demand for nutritious and sustainable produce continues to soar, ensuring a steady market for these crops. So, which of the mentioned crops would you like to venture in? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the New Africa Wealth channel for more informative videos.